Hello, in this video we will be showing you how to navigate and search on the GALE primary sources on the GALE News resource. On the GALE News main page, just click on the GALE primary sources option from the main menu to be taken to the following page. GALE Primary Sources offers a collection of newspaper archives from the Economist to Financial Times to the Independent and the Times. The Economist Historical Archive provides research, global, political and economic news and analysis with the source used by top leaders and thinkers. The archive begins from 1843 and ends in 2015. The Financial Times Historical Archive provides research and data on finances and other issues in this internationally known daily paper, with the archive beginning in 1888 and ending in 2016. The Independent Historical Archive provides a unique political perspective from independent British journalists, with the archive beginning in 1986 and ending in 2016. The Times Historical Archive is an invaluable historical source widely considered to be the world's newspaper of record. The archive begins in 1785 and ends in 2015. For the next example moving forward, we'll just click on the Economist Historical Archive option to be taken to the following screen, where you'll be given a brief description about the resource, when it was founded, and what topics it covers. You will also notice that there's a search bar on the page. Just enter the keyword or term you wish to search for in the archive. For the following example, business. And you will notice that a drop-down menu of results will appear underneath. You can either select one of them or simply just click on the magnifying glass next to the search engine to begin starting your search. You should now find yourself on a results page like this. The results are initially arranged by oldest first, though you can change this in the sort by option by clicking on oldest, and then a drop-down menu will appear providing you options to sort by newest, relevance, and document title. If you were to select relevance, for example, you will notice that the results page will change automatically. You will notice that all the thumbnails will have a keyword preview button on them. If you click on one of them, the preview will appear below it, highlighting your keyword in that newspaper article and where else it may appear in it and in what context. Next to the thumbnail, you will find such details such as when the article was published and what page it appeared in the newspaper. If you click on the heading of the result, you'll be taken to the following screen to read that article in a PDF format. If you go back to the results page, you will find a browse button near the top right of the screen, next to About, Search History and Get Link. If you click on Browse, you'll be taken to the following page where you'll find a calendar on the screen. Here you can select the day, month and year of when the newspaper was published, and say, for example, you were to pick the 6th of October 1855, that result will appear as a thumbnail next to the calendar. You can then read that newspaper by clicking on the thumbnail, and then you'll be taken to the following page to read that newspaper in a PDF format.